Okay, so let's continue with the conjugation. We have done the conjugation for singular, which was je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. Now let's move on to the plural. Nous sommes is we are, vous êtes is you are, ils sont, they are masculine, elles sont, they are for feminine. So if you want to say we are, you would say nous sommes. Vous êtes, you are. Vous êtes, you can use you, vous êtes if you're addressing a group of people or you're talking to an elder person who you respect or anyone you respect. Vous êtes. Ils sont, they are when you're talking about a group of male people, or elles sont when you're talking about females, referring to them as third person. Okay, so this is je suis is first person singular, tu es is second person singular, and il est, elle est is third person singular. Nous sommes is first person plural, vous êtes is second person plural, ils sont, elles sont are third person plural. I hope now you get it. So it's very important for you to learn this conjugation. Okay, so here's the list of ordinal numbers 1 to 20. You can find the link for the PDF in the description box. You will be directed to the Telegram channel. You can access the PDF from there. So let's read these ones. First is première, second is deuxième, third is troisième, fourth is quatrième, fifth is cinquième. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So première, deuxième, troisième, quatrième, cinquième. Moving on. Sixth is sixième, seventh is septième, sixième, septième, huitième, eighth, neuvième. We replace F with V in ninth. Okay, so this is not neuvième is wrong, and neuvième will be the correct way to say ninth in French. And this is 10th, dixième. 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, and 15th. So this is onzième. Ons is written as O-N-Z-E. We remove an E because we cannot have two vowels together. So this is onzième. The same way douzième, treizième, quatorzième, and cinquième. So that's why we remove an E and simply add I-E-M-E. Okay, onzième, douzième, treizième, quatorzième, and quinzième. Next, seizième, dix-septième, dix-huitième, dix-neuvième, and vingtième. So this is 16th, this is 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th. Okay. Moving on to the next part of the chapter. In this chapter, we'll learn to ask questions. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est means what is this? So whenever you want to ask this particular question, what is this? What is this? You would use qu'est-ce que c'est to say it in French. So this is qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? So here this girl is asking, qu'est-ce que c'est? He replies, ce sont des cahiers. Ce sont des cahiers. Okay, as you can see, sont is are for plural, third person plural. We just covered the conjugation of être, so sont comes from there. Ce is this, or maybe these. These are books. Ce sont des cahiers. So cahier is copy or notebook. So ce sont des cahiers. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est une table. This. So this is a table. C'est une table. Moving on to the next question. Qui est ce? Qui est ce is who is this? Who is this? This question is used whenever you want to ask who is this in French. Qui est ce? So he's asking qui est ce? C'est Madame Dubois. C'est Madame Dubois. This is Madame Dubois. Qui est ce? Ce sont des élèves. Ce sont is these are kids or children. Ce sont des élèves. Here, qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this or what are these? You use this sentence for both singular as well as plural. So it is used to find about objects and animals or things, right? Object, animal, things. And qui est ce? Who is this or who are they? Again, qui est ce is used both for plural and singular. It is used to find out about people. Say, this is, he is, she is. Ce sont, these are, they are. Say is used for singular. This is, he is, she is. And ce sont, these are or they are. For he is, she is, you could also use il est, as we just did in the previous video, and she is, you can use la. Okay, these are alternatives. For say, when you want to say he is, she is. Okay.